We're going to start by going to code.visualstudio.com. And at this webpage, we're going to be able to download the version for Windows. This is a free download. We'll go ahead and click on it. It's going to automatically download onto our PC. We're going to click on it to start the installation. Okay, so we first get a user agreement. We'll accept and continue. And I'm going to be leaving the default folder and clicking on next. We'll be leaving this as is. And I like to have a desktop icon, so I'm going to be checking this. The rest can be left as default and click on next. And we'll go ahead and install it. This just takes a few seconds and we'll jump over to the next step. Once the installation is complete, we can launch it automatically and click on finish. And now we have Visual Studio Code installed. Now what we're going to do is go over to the extension tab over here. And at the top, we're going to type in Claude Code. Okay, so it's the first one in the list and it's by Anthropic. You want to make sure that you install the correct one. Once selected, it's going to want us to log in. And it's going to ask me to authorize the connection. So I'm going to go ahead and authorize it. And this part is complete, so we can go ahead and close this window. We're going to leave the first option selected. We're going to click on Mark Done. And we can go ahead and now create a new session. So you click on the plus button over here. All right, so you might get this error. For Claude Code to run natively in Windows, you need Git Bash. So I'll make sure I link this down in the description below. So you can go ahead and click here to download it. There's also a few other options to run it. We'll just do the manual installation by clicking on the download option. And now what we're going to do is click on it to open it. We'll get a license agreement. We're going to click on next, and then we're going to be leaving everything as default. Click on next. And we'll next our way through. We'll be using the recommended settings. We're selecting all the default options and clicking next all the way through. We'll allow it to install. All right, now that it's installed, we're going to click on finish. We're going to close out of our browser. We're going to shut down VS Code and we're going to go ahead and relaunch it. Okay, and as you can see, the error is now gone. You can go ahead and start your new session. And that's how you install Visual Studio with Claude on a Windows 11 PC. Hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.